To use the SD card on the OnePlus 13, first of all, you will need to notice that there's no SD card slot available for this device, which means we'll need to use something like a USB adapter. Best would be a USB-C adapter that allows you to insert the micro SD card right here. So I have a micro SD card like this. We can insert it in the slot. Sorry, just like that, and then we need to grab the USB-C end and connect it with our device right here. Now when it's connected, we can unlock our device. Let me enter the pin as well, sorry for that. And we'll be able to find our OTG in the files. And to access files, you need to open your app manager and look for the Files app. Then when we scroll down, there's the OTG service, and that is the micro SD card that I've connected. So that is basically everything.